How's everyone doing today? Welcome to the channel. So I have Wii U Skylanders Giants unboxing. Well, it's not new, it's not used, it's newsed. Basically, I think it was returned to Macro. That's one of our stores in SA. So it's selling for 779.99, 780. I'll put up the dollar figures for you in US. So as you can see here, I think it was open. They must be just didn't like it. They returned it. But otherwise, it's complete starter kit. So basically, I got a Wii U. It's modded. I don't have one physical game for it. So I saw this going for a special 249 rand. I put the dollars figure, but that's probably about under $18. Pretty niche market, but what can you say? See what's in the box, guys. A big table here. So this is the box. Show you the box, full box here. Skylanders. Got some normal writing here. Side. And got the back. Normal stuff. Show y'all. So that one side. Got here. Oh, what this is? The seal here, as you can see, like a little instruction manual. I'm sure. I'm going to open this. Then you got your game here. Not for resale, eh? And then you got your little manual. A big manual, huh? Now it's showing you all the stories, yeah? How to connect it and all that thing. Skylanders. Disc. Pretty clean disc. Got the back here. Front. Side. Nothing special there. Still sealed over here. What this is? No idea what this is. Oh, it's like a jetpack. I have no idea what this is. No idea, guys. My God. Portal of power. This thing is thick, man. Look at this thing. Compared to the PlayStation, I don't know how thick they are. And it's still factory sealed here. I don't think they even opened this damn thing, man. Plasticky. I think it lights up. So figures. Oh. Like a little dragon. Feels but fragile. Put him here. Can do his thing. Shush. Another figure here. Light up. Pretty nice. This one I'll show you guys properly. Pretty small. Probably about 10 centimeters. Okay, put this one side. Got this big guy here. What the heck you taking it? Oh, that thing is like glued inside or something. This Skylander was fighting with me. Definitely fighting with me. A normal bottom. Got a top here. This is a big guy, man. Compared to these ones, this is like a tiny thing. I don't know what this is. This thing is Groot here. Huh? I am Groot. 1, 2, 3. Then this. You see it. Got the portal thing here. Put the chair. play the game and then it works. So basically like this here. And fight. I don't know. I never tried this thing out in my life. I'll probably try it now. But for this price, this is most likely stay in my collection. I'd probably test it on. That's about it. If you want to see a video of that, let me know. Anyway, guys, that's the unboxing of a newest Skylanders starter pack. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and this is me out.